Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be introducing you to our new shop car that we have for the past 3 months. We have not filmed this car. We've been kind of lagging and busy, but we are back, guys. We're so back, and it's actually one of my favorite cars. You can see already, right, from the camera. This is our brand new to us, 2024 C8 Z06 in Mist Red. Alright guys, so this is a car that the shop, or me and Jerry and our other friend Dave, has been looking for a long time. We've been doing so many of these exhaust systems, like day by day, week by week. We're like, man, we gotta have one because it just sounds so crazy. Don't know about this car, guys. This is probably one of those I would consider a supercar, in my opinion, or supercar killer. I don't know. There's a lot of people saying that this is, you know, just a Corvette, but it's not just a Corvette. The Z06 is crazy. The way the sounds. So if you don't know, this is a 5.5 liter LT6 with a new flat plane crank motor. So it sounds like a Ferrari 458. If you don't know what that sounds like, Jerry, pause my video. I would say it sounds like 90% the same, especially with the AFD exhaust that we put on already. I think if you guys roll back to our YouTube channel like 4 or 5 videos back, you'll see this car. We did a whole like segment on the exhaust system. Oh look, another C8. See, they're everywhere. But yeah guys, so this car was actually from San Diego. I was looking on Facebook Marketplace and then we found it. It was 97, yeah, $97,000. So it's not cheap, but for a sub 100K car, guys, you're getting a lot for the money. Before I talk, guys, I'm gonna put in RZ mode, which is the most, oh my God, the valves are open. Let me show you guys real quick, okay? Bro, I'm already at 65. What the heck? Oh my, you hear that, guys? Look at that, listen. That decel is insane, guys. You know, we'll go into the whole exhaust in a sec, but yeah, guys, this is our new shop build. Not much stuff to do on this car, to be honest. I can do a lip kit, which we're doing, by the way. Exhaust, obviously, if you get a C8 Stingray base, non-base, Z06, Z01, we have every system available for the C8. So it's, I don't know what to say, guys. Oh, by the way, this is a coupe. We didn't get the convertible. Oh snap! My bad. I don't know, guys. This car, from the outside, it sounds 10 times crazier. The way the exhaust amplifies the noise is crazy. Oh, by the way, we are going to 961 Motors today. So they're gonna dyno the car. We're gonna put the car on dyno, get some sound clips, and all that good stuff. So, yeah, guys, I'm very excited. Oh, this is a coupe, like I said earlier, before I got distracted and got honked. The T-top comes off. Like anytime you want to go top down, you know, especially summertime, this is perfect. Or if you're balling, you get the convertible version, which is extra 10-15K. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is a 1LT model, so we don't have a lot of like, you know, crazy features like the lift, cooling seats. Do we have that, Jerry? No. I don't think we have any of that. So to be honest, in my honest opinion, you're spending another 15 grand for the lift and stuff. It is nice, but I think for a sub 100 car as is, it is fast. How much horsepower? Like 670 horsepower, 460 torque. Dude, this is like the best daily driver. Look at this. Oh, shit. Look at this, guys. I just hit 70, dude. 80% throttle, downshift. America. No, Chevy really outdid themselves. You know, I've driven a lot of cars. This is what they call like a supercar killer. Well, their Z01X. You know, if you don't know, that's like 1200 horsepower, all-wheel drive. Yeah, we'll get that to another video. But also, a side note, people say this sounds like an SVJ. Don't quote me on it. I think it kind of sounds like SVJ in certain angles or in certain like positions when the car's coming towards you. But I think it sounds more like 458. Insane, guys. hit triple digits, guys, just like that. Now, this is not as fast as our WX. Like, our WX was fast until I drove this. Like, this is crazy, guys. We're gonna be heading to 961 in a bit. Before we do, we're gonna find a spot. We're gonna show you guys what the car sounds like on the outside and what it looks like. Cause this color is really flashy. This color screens pull me over. However, we haven't got pulled over since. Have you? Oh, you had. Jerry did.
No, I have not.
You have not?
David had.
Oh, our friend David. There's two drivers that drive this car, Jerry and our friend David. So if you see in the area, see what's up. But yeah, this car is crazy. Look at this. This Grand right here.
Yeah, you gotta cut over like 4 lanes.
Got some underpass, guys. Oh my God. Guys, this exhaust is a must. If you guys are wondering, we have the F1 valve muffler setup in stainless steel, the traction pipes. So this gives you the ultimate like pitch noise when the valve's open, and when I go out to like stealth mode, look at this. Silent, guys. Silent. No noise. Chilling. Look at this. Crazy, crazy. Like, it's probably one of my top favorite cars of this year. Or in general, like the top 5 cars right now, in my opinion. Like, this is super hot. The BMWs are cool, but like, dude, the Corvette, this thing, man. If you haven't driven one yet, you know, go to your dealership, try one. I mean, it won't sound like this, but the experience is still there. You know, it's crazy. Back in Z mode, I think track mode has better, right? All right, guys, there's a underpass coming to this. Insane, guys. Holy moly. So Jerry and I took this car to Vegas Speedway and we tracked it too, and we destroyed almost everyone on the track. Jerry did. On my session, I was like number two, very close to number 1, because I'm a bad driver, but Jerry got number 1, smoked a bunch of people. So this is, I'm telling you, out of the factory, out of the box, this thing is insane. Also rear wheel drive, barely loses traction, and it does not like to slide at all. Oh, no, he's not, he's pointing to the left.
Should I film this?
Look, when you're in an American car, no one bothers you. Oh. Shoot, I'm going this way.
Oh shit, he's following us.
I'm going this way. Here it is, our misread 2024 1LT C8 Z06. On the side, guys, we have our 3 mods actually on this car. Everything else is complete side. We don't have tint. That's how hot it is. When you get tint, too much, right? But we have the AFD sticker. By the way, every product that you order now will have a new AFD sticker. If you don't, reach out, we'll give you extra. But we have the 69. So this is our friend's like brand he's doing. 69, you know, like, you know, if you get it, you get it. I'm moving to the back, guys. The best part is our exhaust. Check this out. This is the stainless steel version with the extra heat wrap. If you order stainless steel and you guys want extra heat wrap, we offer as well as an option. Just hit us up. But yeah, guys, this is like the ultimate system. This is our single wall tips. We just released our dual wall tips. By the way, single wall won't be available anymore. It'll be all dual wall tips in silver and a wrist traction pipe. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it on the mods. The car does look very aggressive on the back. We are working on a diffuser, rear spoiler, side skirts, and then our front lip. And we're also gonna be lowering the car because look at this. We have almost a good 3-finger gap. Probably need tires soon, Jerry. What do you think?
Well, tires
yeah, still good. Yeah. So a 3-finger gap. So we're gonna lower everything, get it prepped. We might wrap it too. Comment below if we should wrap it or leave it red. I think the red looks really good, but I don't know. I'm thinking outer gray will look fire. At 961 Motorsports, we have our CA parts over there. This shop has a lot of cool stuff. A lot of BMWs, a lot of Euro cars, AMG GTs, R8s, 11, M8s, you name it, everything. And wait for the owner to pull up, and then we'll give you a brief introduction to the shop. And our main goal today is to dyno the car. Guys, it is the next week. We forgot to film the conclusion of the Z06, but we finished the dyno. We didn't get any numbers because totally forgot. You guys can look it up online. It's typically around, like, what is it, 600 wheel, but we'll go back another day and get the dyno again. Car is gonna go under some transformation in the next Z06 video. The car is gonna be at Elite Wraps. We're gonna change the color, so comment below and guess what color we'll be going for. We're gonna lower the car. Some wheels already on order, some crazy JDM wheels, so I'm super excited for that. But yeah, guys, if you guys are interested in more of the Z06 content, by the way, check out the Rex and a Prelude. Dude, this is actually triple, like, all the cars are here right now. This is crazy because Prelude's leaving Monday. It's gone, so it's gone. So by the way, the car is going to a famous YouTuber, which I cannot tell you guys yet, but maybe the next video you guys will see it. I guess we'll film it when they pick it up. But yeah, Prelude's gone. We're making room for another car that's coming in, which I will tell you guys very, very soon. All right, guys, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.